Welcome to Henry channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix laptop battery not charging, or it won't detect, or in some cases laptop battery is stuck and it won't charge. This works on laptops with a reset pinhole button. Ensure Windows is shut down accordingly, so completely shut down. Now turn your laptop on the back casing. Look for a pinhole just like this. If your laptop has one, then you're in luck. This should work, this method. Now find something like this. I've used a tool, but a sewing thread will work. I want you to insert it in the hole for approximately 15 seconds. So count in your head for 15 seconds and then release it. Now switch on your laptop and see if your problem has been fixed. Please like and subscribe.